Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Trade by Numbers. If you're new to the channel, my name's Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. And if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. If you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss any of my videos, because believe me, you don't want to miss out on some of these. We're going to be talking about the video I did last Sunday and some of the coins that I called out, because we are having an absolutely amazing day. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. It helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Let's get right into it. So last Sunday I did a video on the top 5 kind of penny coins that anybody could get into that I thought had amazing potential to explode. And we called out a couple of them that are up 3-4% since then. However, I also called out VeChain. VeChain was one of the coins that I called out, up almost 8% since last Sunday when I called that out. Now, another coin that I called out was Shiba Inu. I said I thought there was great potential for Shiba to explode upward and do very well. And sitting here looking at the charts, it has done just that. Let me get the chart pulled up here for it. Up over 14.75% today, and on the week since I called it out, up 36% from where I called it out last Sunday. Absolutely amazing move on Shiba Inu. I hope you was watching that video. I hope you got into it. Just absolutely blowing up. And of course, the big winner by far is DOGE. Now, I called out DOGE last week under 6 cents. It was trading right around 5.8 cents. Called it out. I thought there was huge potential for DOGE moving forward. And what have we got? An absolutely massive explosion. We are up a whopping 132% on the week where we're sitting right now. And we've actually already come down a couple of cents since this morning. We peaked out at 15 cents today, which was over 160% from where I mentioned it last Sunday. So an absolutely explosive move. And this is the kind of moves that I'm always talking about when it comes to crypto. I don't trade crypto as fast as I trade stocks. With stocks, I'm usually right in and right out of them. Sometimes I get a little bigger move, but I'm usually aiming for 3 to 5% on my stocks, and then we get some that runs every once in a while and gives us 10, 15, 20%. But with crypto, if you can get in crypto in the right time frame, it is so easy to get a 20, 30, 50% move or even 100% move like we got here. If you sold at the top, which I didn't sell right at the top, but I did get a little over 140% gain on my Doge that I picked up last Sunday. So super happy with that. I mean, you're talking about over doubling your money, 1.5 times your money in a week. That is the kind of gains that create generational wealth. That's the kind of gains that when you put into it, like I said, I treat these coins right here more like a lottery ticket. I don't have a huge portion of my portfolio, so it isn't like it grew my net wealth by 150%. But the money allocated to it, that is a huge gain. That is now more money that I've got that I can take, reinvest into another penny crypto that I see up and coming, or watch for this to fall back, get back into it, and still have money to take and pick up a couple of other plays with my profits. And that's how you set yourself up, especially in a crypto winter, to have those explosive moves. When we have moves like this in the crypto winter, and then I can take and allocate some of that, buy some more Cardano, buy some more Ethereum, whatever the case may be, get myself set up so that I'm holding more when the bull market comes. That's when millionaires will truly be made. And it's little moves like this with little percentages of your capital that allows you to be able to allocate more funds without just pulling more money out of your pocket. Maybe you live on a budget. Maybe you don't have much money that you can put into these things. But when you can make moves like this and let it make you the money to be able to put into that, maybe that made you an extra $1,000 or an extra $5,000 that you can now take and allocate. And now, instead of holding $1,000 worth of something and waiting for that bull market, now you've got twice that, 3 times that to be able to allocate. And that's just off of one move. And that is the power that crypto brings, is that it has that ability for these explosive moves. Crypto's been holding up very strong. In fact, I seen a video from BitBoy. If you're not following BitBoy, he does some of the best crypto news out there as far as I'm concerned. I like Ben. I've been following Ben for a long time. We don't always see eye to eye exactly on coins, but at the same time, he's a great guy and he really knows his stuff. And I was watching a video a couple of days ago on him, and he was talking about how he's considering the fact that he may have been wrong. And he said something that I love, and that is, if you think you're always right, that's how you're going to lose. You have to assume sometimes that you're not correct. Ben's been calling for us to hit a low in Bitcoin sometime between about now and January. And even though that's very possible, there's a lot of people in the crypto community that's been looking at that. He said that it is possible that we actually hit our low back in June and that we're in a consolidation stage moving toward that next bull cycle. And the reason for that is they're possibly calling that final pop that we had a false top and not the actual top. If the actual top was back in April of last year, then that could have put that ultimate bottom that we normally see in crypto cycles of about 12 to 14 months from the top is where we get our bottom, then that would put us right in June. And they're saying that there's a good chance that that could be what we're looking at, which means kind of what I've been saying all along. I've said that we're going to have a shorter crypto winter than a lot of people were anticipating. And if we've already hit our bottom, if we're already in consolidation, then this could mean that by next summer, we could be starting the next bull run, which means that we could see increasingly higher and higher prices on these cryptos. Now, it's not that they're not going to fall back some, but it means we could be seeing increasingly higher and higher prices, and that we could be getting ourselves set up for that huge, just massive move as Bitcoin makes its run toward 100,000 and Ethereum makes its run up to 8 or 10,000, and we see all these coins start to regain. Because you got to think, so many of these coins are beat down between 70 and 90% or even more. Some of the coins I've gave you are beat down as much as 96%. That means that they've got that much upside just to recapture to where they were, let alone the fact that they will run beyond those points. In every crypto cycle, we see cryptos making new highs. You don't see cryptos just running to where they had made it before, because they're constantly getting better, they're constantly improving on them, and they're constantly running up. And that's why we see these explosive moves. It's why I feel absolutely blessed to be in crypto and blessed to be on here trying to share my knowledge with you. Because I don't want you stuck in a 9-to-5 that you hate. I want you to find financial freedom, and this is one of the tools that can do it for you. If you like the video, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up. We'll be covering some more crypto tomorrow. Be sure and tune in then. Like I said, hit that notification bell. You don't want to miss any of my videos, because if you missed that Sunday video and you didn't get in, then you missed potentially generations worth of returns investing traditionally. And you don't want to miss out on that kind of money. So make sure you hit that notification bell. And until next time, be blessed. And remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.